Nuair a thuis Kilcormac-Killoughey Craobh club AIB na hÉireann siar sa bhliain feadh trídeach fuair néamh más an lámh an óachtar orthu. Anis chábhíonn déag níos déanaí le glún nuair an barc imirthe ag Champíní Fháilí an aeróchtú a mealach dhéanamh go fad leis an Gléad Ceannais a ríist. Nu an nach tuairimí de friúil ag Champíní Ceatharlach Naomh Moling ar thuis Gléad Ceannais Lein siar féin aideag. Má darmad donnacha a ham an tráthreachta.
Táneart mar riile taithí an droichead Naomh Moling in a meas Paul Doyle, Ger Cody captain of Fórne, Conor Ceog them no sé Lorna Parka agus na tosithe an Bert Kavanagh Jack agus Marty Chmada James Doyle. Wanted to Kilcormac-Killoughey well and Conor Slevin and Coolbarish and a captain now Neil Killy and Kylie at Hurling in Nandolcan Park and Vertical Gorthea a Fosta Conor Mahad, Adam Screedy, Charlie Mitchell as Daniel Handoka, Lee Kavanagh, Rory Maha. I'm sure Uhas her fad and Cho Ceatharlach Jacker Ignaforna agus an Shella Fáta Peter Jazz Classic and Trent a Colin Spain is a bowl of shocks as boss Coolbar Chachtamach oh Tashi Vantage Jennig Daniel Hand on Coolbar dribble Tashi Foss again is on Cole scored to Daniel Hand the Oberlin Zinnig and a T Halvor Coolbar Fui Ro Jetara agus an Trent Nira in Chantic Augustin Dorbocht. So Antus Curra ag Fair Iwali, there's a glyph of shot. Shot is John Doyle. Over by Doyle and Kilcormac Keane get a larger, those are Chen Yart that I get Trent. Go ahead for Toch. And Canchan Bulcha, ag Marty Kavanagh, Toshi Bulcha go Jessic Marty. There is score rocket. And Puck's here. Can more meter, Father. Ditchim and Mele Cool. Gucci Fos, but Kilcormac should glanta egg. Naomh Moling, bhí sé sin beganín scuilte, agus seo seantar scór, agus an scór fáte, ag Jack Screeney. Bhí passion solid to detar up. Catcha strap mar sin ag réitor. Glantamach a ríis ag Fair Ceatharlach. Ach níl le fanna to trin, ach duna go lechúlathe, Kilcormac-Killoughey. Agus is sin Bulcha Jack Screeney, Bulcha go hauling again, Bulcha har test on go Julian Bra scored again Joe. Coolbar Kevin Keogh Chatamach and Cancha Woolen, Mo Dirach can more Milchak Father Titcham and Mele Cool, Chanchi Harris Stilug, watching she can lawn Tossach. Can't it meet Chancellor scores, petition and Hudson Stenta, but not her Cool and Chin. Naomh Moling, Fosaka. Garda Shearer John Immery Titsam agus and Ritter in the character scout and she's squealing the coach number to war. Hamster Shane Conor Ceogh Fuivru Conor Ceogh Hara Traston on score Conor Ceogh. Scoop of Mahiga Shin agus on Washington stop finish. Better good luck on the him Rory Shosh there Marty Kavanagh. Marty Kavanagh on roaring Marty Tatours to start there and pass Conor Traston. Tá sé fáte gur dara iirite James Doyle agus búlte Hara Traston. A Bernard Laighean. Tá sé dullar híomh na lova Jesha. Oberwahan go Verla Parka Colin Spain. Colin Spain sheer. The guy bring the nearest of Trasta, Shasta the Shane and Trump, Farlar Park, or Jack Screeney ton, Jack Screeney, a bola, Hara Traston, Jazz, Screeney. A contour to shot, James Doyle, Fosie Doyle on Rory Doyle. Oh, lead, go holy James Doyle. What Shin Canna Cole is far, Ekamud's a grave club, Nibliana shot. He's a Garishach. Chastra Hartachin agus Dirufta Chumon Zurukon. Scoop of Mahiga Goulbar Machan Tifsha. She fought Jack Screeney, Jack Screeney Gimmers come out. No Hennigan or Noe or Adam, the Governor, she jacket of in action in yo. She fought Rasharisha get. Trying here to end it. Grogan, Endo Grogan, Nagusket the goalie, Endo Grogan, Hara Traston, Kuikin at the East. Rook Ella, Kay Hookus as in Ruction, and Canchan Laglanta, but Kilcormac ag Naomh Moling. Agus well, tá sé de Craobh Jackratí dó féin an teolis na pasna garis an úrtas fear módír chuúsáid. San Shelf Cáilteach agus tíine glúbal is de Charlie Mitchell is casan Charlie Hart as bólinn Charlie agus Jas Ray ar a trasnán. Sin líú de cheart a bheith danta. Bush is sias an sin is congur chun taobh líne. Fear mór Michael Welch ag iríáil. She fágad tá sí fáte ar deire ag James Doyle. Doyle bháin níos fearr atá ach am líana Doyle a bula ar an jobh cheart amrág í sin bulte go fíor áling ag James Doyle. Seo de léochnimh Moling ní léon cheist faoi. Cúig chólínta atran tehanis. Cansin onsaí eile ag Buaicphointí Uibh. San cansin ag James Gorman, tá James Gorman tá isteach agus a léirú an na rán gur fiú thuirt isteach. Machs the tíomh an trop, fáilte Marty Kavanagh agus can mór áirs cuiide isteach ceapan go gaisiad cúil le go trá seo. Blocháte sin siar go dtí, James Doyle an fearr contortach. Doyle an chungur chun taobh líne, bhfuil se tuairt faoi scór, tá sé sin dochreid ar fad ag James Doyle. Íontach ar fad. Cáte isteach an sin níos agus glantamachach ar an tíomh. Agus fáte ag Paddy Boland. Boland a gcéadú trón himar a harú ar tuite sin sé méle chúil. Cosint bhád déanta. Siar tata amach an sin. Brecon Kavanagh Pascar amach. Nish. Me sé den an scór Ibron John, na pasna Garrison. Útan Jid Gomininic. Den elefanat an shot. Tenta go das. Si fáte jog a bhar lá Parca Colin Spain. Will Spain an a glúisi na Craobh sin can de scór an lé. Ord Immert ag Kilcormac-Killoughey. But a Babhta más nádó Iarnach sé says ní gan dua ach a but ar deire ag curtha Iwálaí.
We knew coming down today it's going to be a huge battle. Come down and play St. Mullins, the Carlow champions. 4 or 5 of the Carlow inter-county panel suffered a couple of bad injuries over the last couple of weeks with Keelan-Kiley and Tarragonian out. So we knew coming down today that it's going to be a huge battle. And we've a couple of elder statesmen, but in general we've a very young team of 19 and 20-year-olds and coming into winter conditions. We knew it was going to be a tough battle. But look, they've great hearts and they've great belly and we're delighted to dig the win now. Sure, look, it shortens the winter and sure when you get over your county final. We've seen last night on TV the Ulster Championship and the Munster Championship and the Leinster Club, and I know there's a big debate about inter-county and club split season, but like seeing the crowd coming down from Offaly there today and from Kilcormac-Killoughey and Offaly in general, like the club championship is a fantastic championship and we're looking forward to next weekend.